Hi guys, hope you're doing well. So I've just created another content for you, which is amazing. I know a lot of people suffer through it, which I've experienced it over the time, and this is in our books as well. And I hope you will like it, love it, and get some insight into this process, because this is going to help you progress, not only in your work life, your professional life, but in your personal life as well, regardless of your relationships, any kind of relationships you want to build. And that framework, which I'm going to give you a glimpse of today, in few minutes, is this process here. And I'm going to step by step talk to you about this process. So what this process is about is, we all go through doubt. Okay. And doubt is a very big problem which a lot of people go through and experience. And because of this issue, a lot of people get into stagnation and get stuck in their life when life comes into their path and stops them. So the reason I created this framework, because I've used this extensively in my own life and I've seen tremendous results, and I want to share it with you guys as well, so you can help implement it into your lives and get great amount of results, because that's what I'm here for, to help you out. So so that's a known fact. We all go through doubt, and in order to mitigate that, this is a framework we're going to go through. So the first one I'm going to talk to you about is called creation. Okay. So creation means recognizing a divine creation, how things are being created, basically. So there is, in the book, in 3682, it is called, his command is only when he intends a thing, that he says to be, and it is. So basically, we call it as kun in Arabic, that if something has to be created, the creator says it and it is being created. That's the short form, and that's how the creative process starts. It takes its first step. Now, in order to understand and appreciate the power of the creator, his command is kun, be, and it creates everything. So that's the first thing, right? We have to put things in motion, and in order for to have that creative process started, you need to hold the intention. If you don't hold the intention and that intention is being disrupted, it's not going to create. So you need to hold on to that intention, and it depends how long you can hold it for. The second one is resilience. So development in steps. So there's another verse in the book, in 41, from 41 9 to 12, and that talks about details about the creation of earth and heavens in stages. Even though in the first step it is being defined that, you say that word kon, it has been created, but in further explanation it has been developed that, it goes, the creative process of earth and heavens has been done in steps, so you have to go through stages. That's the beauty of it, or you could say that's the creative process you have to go through in steps, and there's no way out of it. So first thing is to hold the intention strong, not let it go, hold it tight, and for the be resilient, and go through the steps. Okay, while that thing is developing. The third one is called endurance. So endurance means, there's another ayah, which is 95-4. We have certainly created man in the best status. So regardless of anyone, you, me, all the people, all the humans on this earth are being created in the best status. So we all have been given the best qualities. So regardless of that comparison syndrome and any other syndrome, you all are being created in the best status. So that is really, really comforting to hear and understand, and not only in your mind but also in your heart, that you are being created and you have that abilities given to you. So that's number three, endurance. And number four is aspiration. So for that, there's another thing in the book, which is 155, and it says, "We will surely test you with something of fear, and hunger, and a loss of wealth, and lives, and fruits. But give good tidings to the patient." So you are being told, regardless of anything, the status and capabilities, you will be tested with these things: the hunger, wealth, fruits, and the people who come out is the people who are patient, right? So that's the fourth thing. Have the aspiration there. And number fourth is trust, and that is, test based on capacity. So again, you're being told that God does not burden a soul. So again, he's talking about your soul, not about your material body. It's the soul who gets the burden, because soul is created in the form of energy from the creator. It holds all the power, it moves you in your day-to-day life. So that soul is not being burdened. Beyond that, it can bear. So whatever test you have been given, okay, you have the best capabilities, you endure your, you have the aspirations, so you, the capabilities you're given, you are, your soul is not been burdened to an extent that you cannot bear that test. So you have the capabilities to bear it. So always remember that you have that capability. You're not being given anything extra. It's only based on your capacity. Okay. And number six is, which is the final step, is the energy, which is the patience and prayer. So there's two again verses, which is 3 200. It says, "Oh, you believed, you're a believer, preserve and endure and remain stationed and fear God, that you may be successful." So keep fearing, have that fear in you, that you don't need to fear anything else. You need to fear the creator. He's created you and in the form of soul, and that soul is moving you, and he's not burdening your soul even. He's giving you, but he will create it through steps in your life, and you will have that test during each stage, like in games we see it. You're going through that process as well. And the second one, it says, in 245, "And seek help through patience and prayer, and indeed it is difficult except for the humble and submissive." So again, you need to be humble and you need to have a submissive attitude in front of him, because if you're not humble and if you're not submissive, it will be again challenging, even though you have those qualities given into you. So you tap into those qualities, you need to be humble. Something, a solid object, have you seen a solid object, right? A solid object is difficult to roll. A round object is humble, and that's why it rolls further down, because it has an humble edge. It does not have edges, and those edges are going to stop you. So non-humble attitudes are your edges, and it's going to stop you and block you on your way while you're passing through those stages. And the more you stop, the more you will see that you will see the disruption, and will be even more challenging for you. So with that, have a great day. I hope you like the video. Comment it, leave questions if you want to share it to others. And this process, by the way, is a creative process, which I have listed down here, which are the 6 steps. And this is a creative process, and it is creative because it has these stages in there, creative, which I've just explained it to you. So with that, have a great day. Thank you very much for liking, supporting, and commenting. Thanks a lot. Bye.